30 most important organic reactions that are forming the basis of organic conversions. We discussed about this topic in the previous video lecture, and this video lecture is the continuation of the previous video lecture. So please watch the previous video based on the topic that top means 30 most important organic reactions that are forming the basis of organic conversions. Okay, you can watch the first video from this link that I provided in the description below. So watch previous video, the video that uploaded yesterday, and after that this video is the continuation video. Okay, so we start the discussions regarding this topic, continue part 2 of the top 30 or important most 30 organic reactions. And before starting the video lecture, I would like to remind you once more time that if you do not subscribe this channel, subscribe it right now, and don't forget to press the bell button. Okay, so we start discussions regarding this topic. We already discussed from 1 to 20 reactions, important reactions. Right now we discuss from the 21 important reaction is from triple bond acetylene when heated in copper red hot copper tube 500 degrees centigrade. It's form benzene. Another important from alkyne, it's the conversion of acetylene or ethine to acetaldehyde. This is one of the important key reactions that are used in conversion questions. Another one is acetylene to reduction in the alkane, or you can use this reaction acetylene to reduce alkene. Okay, and 24th important reaction is phenol to zinc dust distillation or heat benzene. This one is very useful reactions in aromatic conversions. We use this important reactions. Another 25 number equation, this one is called Grignard reagent. This one is called Grignard reagent. Okay, Grignard's reagent C2H5 MgBr. This equation is very important. Okay, to carry out organic conversion we need this equation. Okay, so up to 25 you can see up to 25 we discuss the most important reactions. These 5 reactions 21 to 25 very important reactions to carry out organic conversions. And in the next part we see the rest 5 important reactions, means 26 to 30 we see the rest 5 reactions. I think these reactions are clear, that very easy reactions, and these reactions are used in the organic conversions. So prepare these reactions, practice these reactions well, and after that I think it will be helpful for you to carry out organic conversion questions. These suggestions will be helpful for you. Okay, next time next of the steps, next part of the video we discuss about the 26 to 30 important reactions. And don't forget to watch the previous video that I made from 1 to 20 important chemical reactions. And after that continuation, this video is the continuation of the previous video that I uploaded yesterday. Okay, so watch the yesterday video, and after that watch this video. So now we do the 26 to 30 important reactions. You can see the 26 number important reactions, that is reduction of nitrobenzene to aniline. This is a very important key reaction used in organic conversions. Nitrobenzene converted to aniline in this method, reduction by tin and hydrochloric acid, the mineral acid. Okay, 27 number equation is from aniline diazotization reaction NaNO2 HCl 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature. It is called diazotization reaction to form benzene diazonium chloride N2 plus and Cl minus. Okay, this one is a very important key reactions, and from this N2 plus Cl minus you can prepare a large number of aromatic compounds from this N2 plus Cl minus. And 28 number is the nitration of benzene to forms the nitrobenzene. Concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid on benzene reaction with on benzene forms nitrobenzene. This is the 28 number important reactions. After that we discuss about the rest to 29 and 30. Our 29 number equation, most important reaction, it's alkaline KMnO4 by oxidation with alkaline KMnO4 toluene or ethyl benzene change to benzoic acid. This is very important reaction and used frequently in organic conversion. And number 30, that is used in organic conversion frequently, and it's Rosenmud reduction acetyl chloride or ethanoyl chloride H2PDBaSO4 to acetaldehyde and HCl. So this is number 30 important organic reactions. From the previous lecture I listed the 30 most important organic reactions that are forming the basis of organic conversions, and I discussed these 30 organic reactions. And I think after memorizing this 30 most important organic reactions, you can carry out organic conversions easily, and practice is the main thing that is that help us to understand conversion problem. So if you are beginners, then you must need to practice these 30 important reactions as much as possible, and after that you can practice the number of organic reactions. As much reactions of organic chemistry as you can memorize will help you to solve the conversions type question or other some questions. Okay, so set of reactions knowledge, when you have a knowledge or when you can remember or when you can memorize a set of organic reactions, that time you will answer a number of types of questions from organic chemistry easily. And organic chemistry is a scoring subject, so you can easily score marks from just practicing these organic chemical equations. So that's the discussions regarding this topic. Thank you for watching this discussion. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and to press the bell button, and meet you again in the next video lecture.